Hey guys, today we're opening some Japanese packs. We're doing a pack battle between Mason, Jasmine, Jason, and Jordan. Alright guys, this one is for
Me.
Jordan's pack. Let's do that one last. This one's for Jason, Jasmine, and Mason. We'll go with Mason's pack. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this. Here we go, Mason. This is your pack, okay? Here we go. I think it's one from the back. Maybe, we'll see. Here we go. We got a Drampa. Yo, Drampa Hollow for Mason. We got a 120 HP. So guys, the way the pack battle works is the HP. Whoever has the highest HP, okay guys? Alright, we're gonna go with Jasmine's pack. Jasmine, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Here we go. One from the back. We have a Ooh. Last one. Oh, you gotta start me. And a womp 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 womp. Oh, let's see what wait. Got 100. Okay, 140. You're at 140, Jazz. 140 for Jasmine, okay? Alright, Jason, you ready?
Yeah.
There we go. Jason. Up from the back. We have Ooh. Is that Matang?
Yeah.
That's Torchic?
Victini.
Oh, Victini. Flip. No. And a 110. You got a 110. Alright. Here we go. For
Me.
who's me?
Jordan.
Jordan. Jordan's getting the destined rival. Team Rocket. Here we go. One from the back. You ready? Here we go. Ratata. That Nidoran. Ooh, Houndour. And a Oh! Jordan with the Moltres EX. Let's go. Guys, we all know who won this. We have a winner. It is Jordan. Let's go. All right, guys. Stay tuned on our next video, guys. We are desperately looking for more packs, and hopefully you guys like our videos. And see you guys on the next one, guys.
Bye.